Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am going to start this question, which is square root of 3x square plus 5x plus 3 minus square root of 3x square plus 5x plus 14, which is equal to minus 1. So from this given equation we will find the value of x. In this equation we can see that 3x square plus 5x and 3x square plus 5x are same. So we will suppose that 3x square plus 5x is equal to y. So we will put the value of 3x square plus 5x is equal to y. So above equation will become y plus 3 and its square root minus y plus 14 is equal to minus 1. So next step, we will take square on both sides. So it will become this square and this square. So it is the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is equal to square root of y plus 3 and b is equal to square root of y plus 14. So according to this formula, it will become square root of y plus 3 square plus square root of y plus 14 square minus 2 times square root of y plus 3 and square root of y plus 14, and negative 1 square will become positive 1. So square and square root will be cancelled out, so it will become y plus 3 plus y plus 14 minus 2. We can write it as y plus 3 into y plus 14, which is equal to 1. Now we will add like terms like y and y. So y and y will become 2y and plus 3 and plus 14 will become plus 17 minus 2. So it will become y into y square, y into 14 14y, and then 3y plus 42, which is equal to 1. Now 2y plus 17 minus 2 square root of y square, 14 and 3 will become 17y plus 42, which is equal to 1. Now we can write it as minus 2 into square root of y square plus 17y plus 42 is equal to 1, and it will become minus 2y minus 17. 2y and 17 will change its sign when it will change its position from the equal side. So minus 2 into square root of y square plus 17y plus 42, which is equal to minus 2y minus 16. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So negative 2. So from negative 2 and negative 2 will be cancelled out, and it will become y square plus 17y plus 42, and from here negative 2 and negative 2 will become cancelled out and it will become positive y. From here negative will become positive, and 2 8 times 16. So we will again take square root on both sides to remove this radical sign. So taking square on both sides, So from here square and square root will be cancelled out, and it is the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become y square plus 17y plus 42, which is equal to a square plus b square means 8 square, which is 64, plus 2ab means 2, 8 times 16, and y. Now we will combine like terms, so it will become y square minus y square plus 17y minus 16y plus 42 minus 64, and is equal to 0. So y square and y square will be cancelled out, and it will become y, and it will become minus 22, which is equal to 0. So from here the value of y is 22, but y is equal to 3x square plus 5x. But y is equal to 3x square plus 5x. So it will become 3x square plus 5x, which is equal to 22, and we can write it as 3x square plus 5x minus 22 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, so we will solve it by factorization. So 3 into 22 will become 66, so we will take factors of 66. So product should be equal to 66 and sum should be equal to 5. So 11 into 6, 66, and 11 minus 6 will become 5. So it will become 3x square plus 11x minus 6x minus 22, which is equal to 0. So plus 11 minus 6 is same as positive 5, and plus into minus minus 11 6 times negative 66. So from first two terms we have x is common, so it will become 3x plus 11, and from here we have 2 is common, so it will become 3x, so negative negative will become positive, to 11 times 22, which is equal to 0. So 3x plus 11 is common when divided by this, so we have left x, and this divided by this, so we have left negative 2, which is equal to 0. So here we have two cases, that 3x plus 11 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here value of x is 2, and from here the value of x is, it will become negative 11 and it divided by 3. So we have two values of x, which are minus 11 by 3 and 2. Now we will check that the values of x satisfy our given equation or not. So the given equation is 3x square plus 5x plus 3 minus square root of 3x square plus 5x plus 14 is equal to minus 1. So first of all we will check for x is equal to minus 11 divided by 3. So it will become 3 into minus 11 divided by 3 square plus 5 into minus 11 divided by 3 plus 3 and its whole square root minus 3 into minus 11 divided by 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 11 divided by 3 plus 14, which is equal to negative 1. So it will become 3 into 11 square is 121 divided by 9 plus minus minus 55 divided by 3 plus 3 and minus 3 into 121 divided by 9 minus 55 divided by 3 plus 14, which is equal to negative 1. So 3 1 times 3, 3 3 times 9. So it will become 121 divided by 3 minus 55 divided by 3 plus 3 minus, same case here, 3 3 times 9, so it will become 121 divided by 3 minus 55 divided by 3 plus 14, which is equal to minus 1. Now we will simplify. So it will become, LCM of these three terms is 3. So 121 minus 55 plus 3 3 times 9 minus 121 minus 55 plus 42, because 3 14 times 42 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 1. So it will become 75 divided by 3, and it will become 108 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 1. So 75 divided by 3 will become 25 minus 108 divided by 3 will become 36, which is equal to minus 1. So square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 36 is 6, which is equal to minus 1, and it is also equal to minus 1. So the value of x is equal to minus 11 divided by 3 satisfy our given equation. Similarly, when we put the value of x is 2, so it also satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.